Best day of my life.
Not yours, Venkat.
This is the best day
of
our lives.
Arey yaar, what's the frequency of the CMOS pad?
50 megahertz.
Venkat, what's the delay difference of the SIM card?
150 picoseconds.
Diameter of silicon wafer used?
0.34 millimeters. It's I1 plus I2 by 2 into G plus X.
Dude, boss wants the design documents. Yeah, I'll give it.
Hey, Omkar is such a boss ka chamcha. I mean, why does he have to come in between us and the boss? You could have given the document yourself now.
I'm gonna kill Omkar. Boss was saying that he managed the project so well. Who is he, huh?
I know. Omkar acts so friendly when he comes to our cubicle.
Getting just a couple of years experience doesn't make him more intelligent.
Do you know, guys, Omkar was asking me in the morning why I came. I mean, how rude of him.
Our boss, Mr. Rao, has kept him just to keep a tap on us.
Hey guys, what's up?
Where are you coming from, Omkar?
You know, these days, boss is very tense. You should submit reports faster.
Venkat, these diodes are really getting charged to a very high voltage when the power supply turns on.
See, you just need to ground the circuit here or just add a switch.
Oh, you're so intelligent. You know, you can control any circuit with so much efficiency. You seem to have acquired a lot of experience.
Yeah, it just takes some time. You know, every circuit is different. Different volts and amperes are required for them.
Dude, the boss is calling you for the appraisal meeting.
So early? Wow, Venkat. You seem to have really impressed the boss a lot. Maybe he wants to promote you to senior position.
Then he wouldn't be interested in playing with your circuits. He would have better circuits.
Shut up. Best of luck, Venkat.
Best of luck, man.
Yeah,
You'll have a great time with our boss.
Have you seen the movie? It's really good. You should definitely watch it. Okay, it's getting late. I'll call you later. Bye-bye.
कितने friends हैं यार तेरे?
हर एक friend जरूरी होता है यार. And यार, why does Venkat work so hard? I think he's going to take away all our appraisals. And can you imagine? My rent has increased by 13%.
My rent is still the same. You can come to my place.
Shut up. I think Omkar and Venkat are going to take all our appraisals away.
Venkat is just the dog of Mr. Rao, our boss. You know, and he has no life at all.
And Sneha, she's such a dumbo. I think she gets all her work done by luring Venkat. She's using him.
No, Ray. She's just a smart girl, you know, and she's just tense these days because of her mom's hospitalization, and also she has to leave early because of her guitar classes.
Oh,
Hey,
jealous.
shut up, man.
Hey Venkat.
Hey, man.
Hi guys, I just came to take the print of my appraisal report.
Nice, man. You'll get a big fat increment this year. You really worked hard. You really deserve it.
Thanks, dude. I'll treat you in the best pub in Bangalore.
And also, please help me with my power design circuit.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, guys. Check this out. A boss has uploaded some of his pictures of his birthday party.
Are you friends with the boss on FB?
No. Actually, that cartoon doesn't know the privacy settings. His pics are open.
Oh my god, he looks so heavily drunk.
Yeah. Hey, is this Leela Palace? My god. This guy seems to be earning a lot. A lot of bonus.
Oh my god, is that Sandhya from the STF team? I've seen her hanging with our boss couple of times, huh?
Hey, is this Omkar?
Ah,
What the? He can invite that guy to the party and we are left here to look at these pictures.
I'm damn sure Omkar is spying for the boss. We better behave in front of him now.
Hey guys, I have a good news for you. You know, these are our appraisal reports. Boss personally took the printouts and asked me to submit. Best of luck.
Hello guys. Hello. Yeah, I have very happy news to share. Finally, all my years of hard work have paid off. Thanks to you guys. Don't you dare to stand up
hey, what happened? Why are you getting so angry?
because I can't work with just like you. If you have problems with me, you can put it in my face. Why did you play that cheap trick?
Enough is enough. Dare you speak like that and I'll ensure you won't speak again in this office.
Yeah, I have ensured that already. I have submitted my resignation.
What happened, Venkat?
What happened?
Venkateshwar has no life. He's a dog of the company. He's a puppet of her boss, Mr. Rao. So very uncool.
These are the exact same lines you spoke to me yesterday.
It was between you and me. How did it come here?
Sunil, I can't believe you did this.
I didn't do anything.
I heard something was going on here.
None of your business, man.
Oh, it's my business, you know, because I'm the chamcha of the boss, right? I always try to help you, as this is an appraisal season. Why did you print all such dirty stuff on my HR report? They've just rejected my application for team lead. Thanks to you guys.
Can I see that?
Oh, so that you can laugh on my face, you son of a...
Omkar is boss ka chamcha. He takes all the credit of the work of Venkat. I didn't do this.
Who did it?
How can you do this, Sunil? You're such a cheap person. Let me just look at my biodata, which I took a printout yesterday. What do you mean by this? How can you write so cheap lines about me? Oh my god, I've already submitted a copy to the marriage bureau.
It's okay, Sneha, don't be sad. Sunil, just get out from here, or else we could have to take action against you.
But I didn't do anything.
Out!
Hi guys. Why are you behaving this way? I didn't do anything.
Hey guys, I have seen a couple of other printouts, all of which have lines like the ones we have seen on Venkat's and Omkar's report.
Hey guys, guess what? Our boss, Mr. Rao, has just been fired. And his wife has filed a divorce case against him.
Oh Sneha, just tell this guy to shut up. I'm really in a bad mood and I don't want to hurt someone.
Dude, I'm serious. There is havoc in the company. All the appraisal reports that Mr. Rao submitted to the HR department contain a line against him. Also, the HR department investigated and found all the allegations to be true. And also, you know that lady Sandhya.
Yeah, what happened to
Yeah,
her?
what happened?
She also got fired. Supposedly, she got promotion because of Mr. Rao's favor.
Guys, I think Sunil didn't do anything. I suspect something spooky going on here.
Dudes, there's a problem in our team. The HR department has called up for a meeting very urgently. I think you all are in trouble.
this year we are withholding the appraisal of your entire team. You guys need to come to some understanding. There is a serious problem in your team. Your manager, Mr. Rao, has been removed due to complaints in various employee appraisal forms. Also, I have received resignation from Mr. Venkateshwara Raju Krishnan and Mr. Omkar Gavaskar. I need you guys to resolve this amongst yourselves. Discuss and appoint a team lead. If you do not do so, I am afraid I will have to let your team go.
So it wasn't really you, Sunil?
You still don't believe me, Venkat? How would I know what all employees think about Mr. Rao?
But at least I got to know what you guys think about me. I'm the spy of Mr. Rao, right? I want to eat away your bonuses, right?
Omkar, we never knew you wanted to help us. Mr. Rao was always praising you and ignoring all of us. It was obvious what we felt.
I was the only one who knew about him and Sandhya, you know. So he just tried to please me so that I don't reveal it to you guys. But I don't know how it appeared on a document he had sent to his wife.
See, I didn't print anything about you, Venkat and Sneha. It's the printer.
But still, I'm the dog of the company, right?
Yes, you are. That's why you're going to be the next team lead.
Yes, ma'am. You're the most deserving person.
What do you say, Omkar?
Yeah, but
It's your chance, Omkar, to prove that you've really forgiven us and whatever we thought about you was wrong.
okay.
Yes.
Sneha, where is the printer? I just gave print here.
Oh, yeah, I just spoke to the admin in the morning. She told me they have donated the printer to some institution.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Good riddance, man. At least no more problems.
Yes, so true.
I missed the printer. It made me the team lead.
When you take a look on the television, no gunshot and blood, they no program, level vibe, but you know they can't